welcome to Current Body. I'm Heather, Current Body's resident product expert, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the Trophy Skin range. It's very new to us, so we're super excited to see what results it has to offer. We have the Mini-MD, the Microdermmd, the Rejuvelite, and also the Labelle Ultrasonic Spatula. So they offer a wide range of results, from reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also helping with things like pigmentation, dark spots, scarring, and also reducing the appearance of pores as well. So firstly we have the Mini-MD. It's perfect for travel, and also the treatments are super quick and easy, so you can do it whilst you're on the go. It combines diamond tip exfoliation with suction to buff away dead skin cells, and also it allows the skin to be able to absorb products much more easily. The treatment boosts circulation to the skin, so it helps you to rebuild that store of collagen and elastin below the surface, so it's really good for fine lines and wrinkles. It's suitable for all skin types as well, so anybody can use it. So what we recommend is pulling the skin taut during your treatment and lifting upwards whilst you're treating. You can treat the face, neck, chest, hands, you can do the feet as well, or the knees if you wanted to, so it is really, really versatile. Now we're going to talk about the Microdermmd. This is about as close as you can get to an in-salon treatment at home, and also it's got an auto mode, which is perfect if you've got sensitive skin. So there's different programs based on what you want to do, and you can customise it a bit more as well. There are different tips for the face and for the body. So it's really similar to the treatment with the Mini-MD. You have it connected, so you just need to make sure that you're within close range when you're carrying out the treatment, and that the skin is also pulled taut whilst you're doing it as well. The LCD display on the machine will actually tell you where to go and when, so it'll give you a lot of guidance throughout the routine. So the Labelle Ultrasonic Skin Spatula has completely changed my skincare routine. It's fantastic because it works right below the surface of the skin to give you an ultrasonic cleanse, gets rid of all of that dirt, oil and bacteria that can build up, and you can, because you use water whilst you're treating with it, you can literally just see all of the dirt coming off your skin whilst you're treating. It is a little bit gross, but it is what everybody wants when they're looking for something to clean their skin with. So the Trophy Skin Rejuvelite MD uses a combination of red, amber, yellow and infrared LED light to basically kickstart the production of collagen and elastin. It's also really good for inflammation, and it helps calm the skin too. So a couple of other things that it'll do as well is it'll help repair sun damage, which a lot of people are quite concerned about these days, and it's also really good for smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles as well. So that's all from me on Trophy Skin, but if you do want to get in touch with us, don't hesitate to email us at sales@currentbody.com, or alternatively you can follow us on social media. If you do want to hear more about what offers we have and also new products that are up and coming, we have all of the links to our social media in the description box below.